What's up everyone? Welcome back to Bahoretti. Today we're going back to one of the most important macro charts in all of crypto, USDT Dominance. But this time we're zooming all the way out to the weekly time frame. And what this chart is revealing is a massive multi-year range structure that has controlled the entire crypto market cycle since 2021. Let's break it all down. Not financial advice, educational only. Let's go. Alright, first thing you need to see is the overall structure of this chart. Going back to late 2021, USDT Dominance has been trading inside a massive horizontal range, and I mean massive. The upper boundary of this range sits around 8.50% to 9.50%. The lower boundary sits around 3.90% to 4.20%. This range has contained every single significant move in USDT Dominance for over 4 years. Think about what that means. Every crypto bull run, every bear market, every recovery, all of it has happened within this range. The market has been respecting these two levels like clockwork. And right now, USDT Dominance is sitting at 7.551% in the upper half of this range, approaching the upper resistance zone, and the implications for crypto are enormous. Now let me walk you through the two critical zones on this chart. The lower olive green zone, sitting between roughly 3.90% and 4.20%. This is the macro floor of USDT Dominance. Every time dominance has dropped to this zone, it marked the peak of a crypto bull run. Think about that. When everyone has piled into crypto and almost nobody wants stablecoins, USDT Dominance hits this floor, and historically, that has been the signal to start taking profits. The upper olive green zone, sitting between roughly 6.20% and 6.60%. This is the mid-range support level. Every time USDT Dominance has pulled back from the highs and found support in this zone, crypto has bounced. It's the level where fear peaks temporarily and risk appetite returns. And then there's the upper boundary of the entire range, the cyan/light blue resistance zone sitting between 8.50% and 9.50%. This is the macro ceiling. Every time USDT Dominance has approached this zone, it has marked a major crypto buying opportunity. Because when this much capital is sitting in stablecoins, the rotation back into crypto when it comes is explosive. Current USDT Dominance is at 7.551%. And look at what just happened on the chart. Dominance spiked sharply from the mid-range zone all the way up toward the upper resistance, nearly hitting 8.50% at the recent peak. That spike represented the fear and capital flight we've seen in crypto over the last few months. And now, look at the most recent candles. Dominance is starting to pull back from that upper zone. It pushed up, tested the resistance, and is now declining, currently at 7.551% and falling. This is exactly the pattern we've seen before. Dominance spikes into the upper zone, gets rejected, rolls back down, crypto recovers. The question is how far down this pullback goes. Does it return to the mid-range support at 6.20% to 6.60%? Does it eventually go all the way back to the macro floor at 3.90% to 4.20%? Both would be extremely bullish for crypto. A return to 6.20% alone would represent a significant capital rotation back into Bitcoin, Ethereum, and altcoins. Now look at the RSI, currently sitting at 65.86. Elevated, but not yet overbought. And the history here tells a very clear story. See that green highlighted peak at the top of the RSI? Way back in early 2022, RSI went above 80, extremely overbought on USDT Dominance. That was the peak of the 2022 bear market fear, maximum stablecoin accumulation. And what followed? The crypto recovery of 2023. Now look at the current RSI reading, 65.86, and notice it just pulled back from a brief spike above 70. The RSI is rolling over. It hit near overbought levels as USDT Dominance spiked, and now both price and RSI are declining together. That is a bearish signal for USDT Dominance, which means it's a bullish signal for crypto. For USDT Dominance to truly peak and begin a sustained decline, we typically need to see the RSI roll over from overbought and start trending back toward 50 and below. We are in the early stages of that process right now. Let me give you the full macro picture. USDT Dominance has been in a massive range since 2021. The upper boundary, 8.50% to 9.50%, has been tested and rejected. Price is now at 7.551% and declining. The RSI is rolling over from near overbought levels. The mid-range support at 6.20% to 6.60% is the first major target for dominance to return to. If USDT Dominance returns to 6.20%, that represents a massive rotation of capital from stablecoins back into crypto. Bitcoin, Ethereum, altcoins, all would benefit significantly. If it goes all the way back to the macro floor at 3.90% to 4.20%, that would represent the next peak crypto bull cycle. Maximum risk appetite, maximum capital in crypto, the kind of environment that produces 2 times, 3 times, 5 times moves in major assets. We are not there yet, but the direction is becoming clear. The upper range has been tested. The RSI is rolling over. The rotation is beginning. USDT Dominance on the weekly, a 4-year range, 2 critical zones, an RSI that is rolling over from near-overbought, and a clear historical pattern that has called every major crypto cycle since 2021. Watch 6.20% to 6.60% as the first target for dominance to reach on the way down. If that breaks, the crypto rally that follows could be one of the most significant moves we've seen in this cycle. Smash that like button, subscribe to Bahoretti, and follow us on X for real-time updates. Link is in the description. Drop in the comments. Where do you think USDT dominance goes from here? Back to 6.20% or all the way to 3.90%? I want your macro view. See you in the next one. Not financial advice. Peace.